Let's be honest, who doesn't love a good pamper session? And what better way to treat yourself than with a face mask? It's like a mini spa day at home. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jan, and today we're diving into one of my favorite parts of any skincare routine, face masks. Whether you're a skincare newbie or a seasoned pro, there's always something new to learn and love about these magical treatments. Before we start our pampering session, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done so. You don't want to miss these beauty-cational videos. Now let's get into our face masks. Face masks are more than just a trend. They're your skin's secret weapon to achieving that healthy, radiant glow we all crave. Think of face masks as a concentrated dose of goodness for your skin. Packed with potent ingredients, they work their magic by delivering a targeted treatment directly to your pores. Whether you're battling dryness, excess oil, or pesky breakouts, there's a mask out there ready to tackle your specific skin concerns. So, ditch those filters and get ready to embrace the real deal. With the right mask and a bit of know-how, you can unveil your most radiant self. The world of face masks is vast and exciting, with a mask for every skin type and concern. Let's break down some popular types and their star ingredients. First up, we have clay masks. These are your go-to for oily and acne-prone skin. Clay like bentonite or kaolin acts as a magnet, drawing out impurities and absorbing excess oil. It's like a deep cleanse for your pores. Next, we have hydrating masks. Dry and dehydrated skin, these masks are your new best friend. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, a moisture-binding powerhouse that plumps up the skin, leaving it soft and supple. And let's not forget sheet masks, the ultimate in convenience and fun. These single-use masks are soaked in a serum packed with beneficial ingredients, ranging from brightening vitamin C to soothing aloe vera. There's also exfoliating masks. These contain ingredients like AHAs or BHAs to slough off dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion. But don't overdo it thinking kisaw maintaw how Think of these as your skin's reset button. Remember, the key is to choose a mask that suits your individual skin needs. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your perfect match. Why are face masks such a skincare essential? Let's count the ways. Masks offer a concentrated dose of active ingredients. This targeted treatment allows for deeper penetration, delivering maximum benefits to your skin. Think of it as a supercharged serum session. Secondly, masks provide a much-needed boost of hydration. Dry, flaky skin, masks to the rescue. They lock in moisture, leaving your complexion feeling plump and dewy. Finally, masks can address specific skin concerns, whether it's minimizing pores, calming inflammation, or evening skin tone. There's a mask out there to target your unique needs. So don't underestimate the power of a good mask. It's not just about pampering, it's about giving your skin the extra love and care it deserves. Ingredients matter too. Look for masks with hyaluronic acid for hydration, charcoal or bentonite clay for detoxifying, vitamin C for brightening, aloe vera for soothing, salicylic acid for acne fighting. Ready to embrace the masknificence? Here's your step-by-step guide to mask application. First, cleanse. Start with a clean canvas. Wash your face thoroughly to remove any makeup, dirt, or impurities. This allows the mask to penetrate effectively. Second, apply. Apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the delicate eye area. You can use your fingers, a brush, or even a silicone applicator. Third, relax. Now comes the fun part. Kick back, relax, and let the mask work its magic. Follow the recommended time on the packaging, usually around 10 to 20 minutes. Fourth, remove. Time's up. Gently remove the mask. If it's a wash-off mask, use lukewarm water and a soft cloth. For sheet masks, simply discard and massage any remaining serum into your skin. Lastly, moisturize. Seal in all that goodness with your favorite moisturizer. Your skin will thank you. To maximize your mask experience and avoid any mishaps, let's talk about some essential do's and don'ts. Do: always patch test a new mask before applying it to your entire face. This helps prevent any unexpected reactions or irritations. Don't: leave the mask on for longer than recommended. Overdoing it can irritate your skin. Stick to the instructions on the packaging. Do listen to your skin. If you feel any burning or discomfort, remove the mask immediately and rinse thoroughly. Don't use a mask on broken or irritated skin. It's best to let your skin heal before applying any potentially irritating products. Do enjoy the experience, put on some music, light a candle, and make it a relaxing ritual. Your skin and your mind will thank you. So there you have it, your ultimate guide to face masks. From clay to sheet masks, hydrating to purifying, the world of masks is vast and waiting to be explored. Remember, masks are more than just a beauty trend. They're a powerful tool to enhance your skincare routine and achieve that healthy, radiant glow. Don't be afraid to experiment, find the masks that work best for your skin type and concerns, and embrace the masknificence. Remember, skincare is personal, so find what works best for you and enjoy the process. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more beauty tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite face mask? Until next time, stay gorgeous.